While exploring Google Maps, I found something truly mysterious. At first, it looked like a small white shape in the middle of nowhere, but when I zoomed in, I realized it's a plane. A full-sized airplane sitting in the middle of an isolated area, surrounded by nothing but green fields and strange terrain. No airport nearby, no runway, no sign of people, just this aircraft frozen in time. Some say it could be an abandoned plane, others think it's just a reflection captured by the satellite. But what do you think? Could this be a hidden crash site or maybe something else entirely? The more I look at it, the stranger it becomes. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more incredible Google Maps discoveries.